Hello viewers, this is Umarad Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain phrasal preposition. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Phrasal prepositions. Phrasal prepositions are those which are framed with two words or more than two words, but act just prepositions. Here is one preposition, in addition to. It is framed with three words, in addition to. Its meaning additionally, as an extra person or thing, and also its meaning along with. In addition to his own family, he has to support his brothers. That means what? Along with his own family, he has to support his brothers. That means with his own family, he has to support his brothers. Members of the board were paid a small allowance in addition to their normal salary. The same thing, members of the board were paid a small allowance with their normal salary, along with their normal salary. The meaning of in addition to. Instead of is used in the negative sense. Instead of means in place of rather than. I stayed in bed all day instead of going to work. That means what? Not going to work. I stayed in bed all day. That means it shows one negativity. Rather than going to work, I stayed in bed all day. I would like to have lemon juice instead of coffee. I would like to have lemon juice rather than coffee. That means not taking coffee, I would like to have lemon juice. In spite of shows one positivity. Despite, regardless of, in spite of his hard work, he failed the examination. That means what? He did the hard work, but he failed the examination. We lost the game in spite of the fact that we practiced all work. That means we practiced hard. We practiced all week, but we lost the game. That there we use in spite of. Then in front of. In front of means in the presence of and in a position just ahead. There is a big tree in front of the cottage. That means what? A tree. Where is the tree? Just ahead the cottage. That means in front of. The beautiful lawn is in front of the house. Where is the lawn? In front of the house. That means ahead the house there is one beautiful lawn. It is not good to insult a teacher in front of students. What shows the in front of meaning? Shows in the presence of students. It is not good to insult a teacher. According to means as stated by, as suggested by. According to doctors, smoking can cause cancer. That means suggested by doctors, smoking can cause cancer. According to my mother, that means stated by mother, as stated by my mother, I have to eat 3 meals a day every day. As suggested my mother, I have to eat 3 meals a day every day. Apart from, except or excluding. Meaning of apart from, except or excluding. All attended the party apart from his friend. That means only one friend has not attended. Who? His friend Vinod. All attended the party except excluding his friend Vinod. The car was empty apart from one man. Excluding one man, the car was empty. Apart from that, everything is fine. Excluding that, except that, everything is fine. In regard to. Meaning of in regard to. Regarding, concerning, in respect of, as regards, with regard to. Important changes are being made in regard to security. That means what? Important changes are being made regarding security. With regard to security. I am quiet at the hotel in regard to his explanation. Concerning his explanation. Regarding his explanation, I am quiet at the hotel. Concerning The meeting here concerning, also one preposition. Concerning the meeting, I did all the, I completed all the work. Then on behalf of, as a representative of someone, the teacher accepted the award on behalf of someone. On behalf of someone means what? For someone. As a representative of someone, the teacher accepted the award. I am standing here on behalf of my colleagues. That means, as a representative of my colleagues, I am standing here. For my colleagues, I am standing here. For the sake of, for one's sake. What is its meaning? For the sake of, it used in the sense of someone's goodness. We have to stop fighting for the sake of family unity. The meaning of for the sake of here, for the favor of, for someone's goodness. There you use for the sake of. For Smita's sake, we didn't prefer non-veg. What is the meaning of for Smita's sake? It is used for the preposition for one's sake. That means what? Because of Smita, we didn't prefer non-veg. On account of Smita, we didn't prefer non-veg. On top of means on the highest point, uppermost surface. A town perched on top of a hill. On top of a hill means on the highest point of a hill. He couldn't get on top of his work. That means at the highest point of the work, at the destination of his work. He couldn't, it is on the top of means at his destination. Prior to means before or preceding. You should eat dinner prior to brushing your teeth. That means before brushing your teeth, you should eat dinner. Only 1% required parental permission prior to collecting such information. Prior to means before collecting such information, only 1% required parental permission. Because of, on account of, as a result of, Maria didn't go to school because of her illness. That means for her, the meaning of because of also for her illness. On account of her illness, Maria didn't go to school. It's very difficult to go outside because of heavy rain. It's very difficult to go outside on account of heavy rain, as a result of heavy rain, for heavy rain. It is very difficult to go outside. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.